Number 28, given 4x minus 2y equals 8, find the slope and the y-intercept. First of all, let's find the intercepts. Zero, comma, y, and x, comma, 0. So what's y going to be when x is 0? So let's plot that. 4 times x minus 2y, we're going to put a 0 in for the x, so we're going to have 4 times 0 minus 2y. Okay? On the other one, we're going to substitute 0 in for y, so we're going to have 4x minus 2y equals 8. We're going to say 4x minus 2 times 0 equals 8. This is the other intercept. On the first intercept, the one on the left, we're putting in 0 for x and solving it for y. On the one on the right, we're doing the x-intercept and we're plugging 0 in for y and we're solving for x. One on the left side, you're going to have negative 2y equals to 8, because 4 times 0 is 0, and that's not there anymore. On the right side, you're going to have 4x minus 0 equals 8, because 2 times 0 is 0, so you just have 4x equals 8. On the left equation, we're going to divide both sides by negative 2, so 8 divided by negative 2 will be negative 4. 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. On the right side, we have 8 divided by 4, so x will be 2. Now in the left equation, we let x be 0 and we solved it for y. On the right equation, we let y be 0 and we solved it for x. So there are 2 points that give us a line. The left side gives you the y-intercept because it's the value of y when x equals 0. The one on the right is the x-intercept where y is 0. Let's take our original equation again. We'll just solve it for y. We can add 2y to both sides. When we do that, we'll have 8 plus 2y. The left side, the negative 2y, cancels when you add 2y to it. Alright, now we're going to subtract 8 on both sides of the equation. So we'll have 4x minus 8 is going to be 2y plus 8 minus 8. The 8 minus 8 on the right side cancels out. Now we'll divide everything by 2, so you'll have 4x divided by 2, and you'll have 8 divided by 2, and you'll have 2 divided by 2. So 4x over 2 is going to be 2x. The negative 8 over 2 is going to be negative 4, and the 2y divided by 2 is just going to be y. Now this is called the slope-intercept form of the equation. And we already knew at the top of the thing that on the left equation up there, when you have 0, negative 4 in red, well, that is your y-intercept. Well, looking down at the bottom, we could find out that if you put 0 in for x down here, 2 times 0 is 0, and you'll have negative 4 will be y. So that negative 4 down there is my y-intercept. 2 is the slope. You'll have 2x. mx plus b is the y-intercept. Y equals mx plus b, where m in front of x is 2. It's 2x. So m is 2. And the y-intercept is 0, negative 4.